What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Steam Missing Executable or it is not loading and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into this step. So the first one is all about what we need to do is just go over here in the Steam and you have to go over here and select the game which you're having the issue with the executable files missing or it is not loading. For example, I'm going to demonstrate you with the Marvel Rival. So let me imagine this game is what I'm having the issue. So what I need to do is I have to select this one, right click and go for the properties, navigate to the installer file and just click on the verify integrity of game file. So verify integrity of game file is the first step that you need to try when you're having an issue with this, which will be cross-checking every single files of a game and if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this. So once the verify integrity of game file is done, we need to move to the next step. Next step is all about just go over here, search for the task manager over here, open the task manager and make sure you expand this up. And right now if you find anything named Steam 32-bit, you have to search here for the Steam, and right now you can see we have two things, Steam Client Web Helper, right click this one and go for end the task. Similarly, if you find anything named Steam 32-bit, select the respective one and also you have to go for end the task as well. So once both the things are removed, that means Steam 32-bit is removed, Steam Client Web Helper is removed, and everything that is related to Steam is completely removed from here. You have to close this and move to the next step. Next step is all about just go over here in the File Explorer, directly navigate to this PC and go over here in the local disk C. Now go for the program file x86. Scroll down and navigate to the Steam. Right now you can see we'll be having a folder named app cache over here. So you can see this is the folder. So what we need to do is just right click this one and go for delete trash icon this particular folder, and also after it is successfully done, what we need to do is we have to check. Still if you're having the trouble, we need to close this and go back to the Steam once again and you have to go for yes. Right now once the Steam is successfully launched, we need to get into these following steps. Now, like I said, we need to go over here in the library, go to the game which is having the trouble with the executable file, which I said Marvel Rival. Right click on this one, go to the properties, not go to manage, click on the browse local file. And over here, scroll down and navigate to the .exe file. This is for the Marvel Rival. Select the .exe, go for run as administrator and go for yes. Once it's successfully done, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed up. And this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye bye.